Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. What we're looking at here is we are looking at simple cuboidal epithelium underneath the microscope. We know that simple means one layer, and now we're getting another clue about the shape, cuboidal. That means the shape is going to look like a cube or a square. And again, since it's epithelial tissue, we'll see lots and lots of cells. And once again, the best way to find a cell is to look for a nucleus. And we can see tons of nuclei here on this slide. I'll just pick out any random one that I see here. Here's a good one. So there's a nucleus right there. Again, anytime we've got that circular structure that's stained dark, or sometimes it's an oval. In this case, it's a little bit more circular. What we have then is we have these plump cube-like cells that are going to be found, in this case, in the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is one location of simple cuboidal epithelium, and that's what this slide is showing, the histology of the thyroid gland. We also find it in other glands, in ducts, portions of the kidney tubules, and it provides limited protection, secretion, and absorption as its functions. I'll just draw my nuclei into my simple cuboidal epithelial cells that I have drawn over here. But what I'm just trying to represent to you is one of these thyroid structures. So one of these circular structures, and again, it's going to be made up of a single layer of cube-like cells. So this then, if I just kind of make a band around it, this is going to be our simple cuboidal epithelium. I'll write epithelium down here since I've got more space. And again, we know that epithelium always faces an internal space or free surface. Here we have that internal space or free surface, and the epithelial tissue is going to be facing that internal space. Same thing here with my drawing. Our epithelial cells are facing that internal space or free surface.